down, yeah. I've been feeling so, I've been feeling so.
This is me
down,
in a flashcard.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine.
Alright, hi friends! So today's video, as you can see from the title, I am going to be trying to brush up on my Korean. So this is going to be like a study with me type of thing. I've seen videos like this on YouTube, especially for Nina Yu. I love her so much if you watch her. Yeah, she's amazing. If y'all didn't know already, I took Korean back in my college. I graduated, not kidding. But yeah, I took Korean for about 3 semesters at my college, and since then I haven't touched any of my Korean textbooks nor looked into it, so my Korean's kind of rusty right now. So I was like, today, you know what, we're gonna attempt to brush up on it, because eventually I would like to go to Korea and hopefully be somewhat okay talking, you know, like the basic like phrases and stuff like that. So this video is actually sponsored by Soo Carrots. Once again, thank you so much for reaching out to me. But yeah, they teamed up with me for my What I Got in my 2020 albums haul. So if you guys want to check that out, I will leave it in the cards or somewhere here in the video. The things that they ended up sending me were like these cute little flashcards. So we have ones for like nouns, and then we have some for verb and adjectives. The packaging is so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I remember some of these words, but if not, I need help. No. But aside from that, I also have the Korean for All textbook, which they sent me a while back. But basically, this is a little practice book where you get to practice your Korean. And this is definitely great for beginners if you're trying to learn Korean. And also there's a bunch of writing exercises in this book so that you can practice even more. So we love that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to use these today as well. But yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, but just keep on watching if you're interested in seeing me fail or do well. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. All right, what up, new angle. I have the little flashcards here. I don't know which ones I'm gonna try first. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the nouns because I feel like that'd be the easiest for me. Let's hope. So on the back of the packaging, it says that these flashcards are a series designed to help memorize Korean quickly and easily, and that you can learn 100 basic Korean words for each series. And also, if you guys didn't know already, they have audios and lectures on their YouTube channel, which is Soo Korean. I will leave it here in the video. Okay, so we get 2 packs in here. Let me go ahead and open these. Oh, okay, let's hope. Okay, I see 2 words that I feel like I remember, but we'll see. Sunting, if you're watching this, please don't kill me. Okay, so the first word is spoon, but they have like cute little images that go with the word, but yeah, it's in English. 숟가락? 숟가락? Oh my god. If y'all know Korean, correct me in the comments. But anyways, I think it's 숟가락. 숟가락? Oh, okay. But anyways, it tells you on the back side of it. So it says 숟가락. Wow. Oh my god, I'm scared for the other ones though. But anyways, I got that one right, so we put that down. Alcohol, I don't know what alcohol is. Oh, 술? But yeah, 술, which is alcohol in Korean. Okay, flight attendant, I don't remember this. I don't think I learned this one. I think 비행기, oh, 승무원. Alright. Yeah, I'm still learning new words here, as you can see. But yeah, this is flight attendant in Korean. Clock, watch. Oh my god, what was the clock? I think it was... Oh shit! Oh my god! As you can see, it has been a while. So, but anyways, clock in Korean or watch is 시계. So this is what it is. Oh, restaurant. 식당. Wow, he cultured. But yeah, 식당 is restaurant in Korean. Oh my god, dining table. That's a desk. 책상? Oh, 식탁. Oh my god. Anyways, table is 식탁 in Korean. Shoe. 신발. 신발 is shoe in Korean. Oh my god, this is me in a flashcard. But trash and garbage is 쓰레기. So, that is me. 아버지. 아버지? 아닌데? 아빠? It's 아빠. There you go. That's father in Korean, y'all. I'll try to go through all of these later because, yeah, as you can see, I have a lot to brush off on. But yeah, this is one of the sets of the flashcards that you would get. So this is the nouns one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try the verbs and adjective one now because, yeah, we'll see. I feel like this is definitely very helpful. Like if you keep looking at this like every single day, if you guys do end up getting this, I feel like you'll be able to learn like the basic like vocabulary words. I forget some of these. First one that I see here is teach. I believe it's 가르치다. Wow, bitch. 가르치다 is to teach in Korean. To play a game. 게임을 하다. So to play a game is called 게임하다 in Korean. To pick. 걷다. Like there are some words that I ended up not learning from Korean because like I said, I only learned up to 3 semesters. It was basically all elementary Korean, but some of these words on here I didn't end up learning. So yeah, now's the time to learn it. To study 공부하다. Oh my god, that's what I did every single day until I stopped learning Korean and now here we are again. No kidding. But yeah, study in Korean is 공부하다. So there you go. Why am I talking in this accent? Cute. Is it? 귀엽다. I knew it. I was just like, am I right? I'm pretty sure it's 귀엽다. Oh, look at the cat though. It's so cute. Anyways, 귀엽다. There you go. Next we have sing. I believe 노래하다. 노래. There you go. 노래하다. High is, I believe, 높다. There you go. Yay. I remember some of these, which is great because damn, if I didn't know most of these, but yeah, this is basically the verb and adjective ones. I think I got most of them right, but then I was like hesitant on some of them and I was like, what would my professor think of me now? So those are the little flashcards, which are so cute. I really like the images that they put. Like it's so pretty, and then it just shows you the basic like Korean on the back, which we love. So yeah, I feel like I said, this is definitely gonna be very helpful if you're trying to learn the basic words. All right, I thought of something. If you guys have friends that also are trying to learn Korean, y'all can like use these cards together and y'all can do like a little drinking game. If you're 21 and up, keep on watching. If you're not, please do not drink. Y'all could use these as a little like card game. Like y'all can test each other on your Korean, and every time you get a word wrong, you have to take a drink or take a shot. I don't know why I'm talking about this, but you know what? I feel like that'd be interesting. So like, that's just a little thought. All right, my friends, welcome to the snack portion, I guess you could say, of the video. Soo Carrots also sent me their snack bag that they also have on their website. But yeah, there's a bunch in here, as you can see. Like literally, if I like drop this, everything's gonna fall out. But like, there's a lot, like packed to the brim. So yeah, pretty excited. So let's just go ahead and do it. All right, so the first thing that I see in here is tteokbokki, which if you guys don't know what tteokbokki is, it's spicy rice cakes. I definitely wanna try this out like sometime soon. So the next thing in here is actually another flavor of the tteokbokki, but this is the jajang version. So it's basically black bean noodles, but instead it's tteokbokki. So wow, we love, definitely will be trying that. Oh my God, I've heard of these. Like I've seen these at my local Korean market. These are the Gerang, and it has Zico on the front, so okay, go off. So the next thing in here is sadobap. So I don't know what this one is, but I'll definitely try this as well. So the next thing in here I've actually seen at my local Korean market as well, but these are the choco songi. I hope I'm not butchering any of that, but this is what they look like. I have yet to try these, so yeah. The next thing in here is yogurt jelly. Ooh, like I like Yakult. I don't know if you guys have heard of Yakult, but it's basically the same thing, but this is like the jelly candy form, so love that. These are spicy rice crackers, I believe, so yeah, we love that. So the next thing in here is we have chicken pop, and I believe these are like chicken flavored crackers. And then they also sent me a bunch of like tea that I can try out, and also some candy in the back. So like, thank you so much for sending this to me. I'm definitely gonna be trying this out as well. And then I believe there's more crackers. Yeah, there's more crackers in this one. And then there's also some haichu or Maichu is what they call it. So the last two things in here, the first one is a marshmallow flavored cracker. So yeah, we have that. And then this is another type of jelly aside from like the Yakult one that I showed you guys. This one is vitamin flavored, so we love. Oh my god, is this going to be like a mukbang or something? I'm not totally sure. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and try maybe like one or two of these snacks. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try this one, the one with Zico on the front. So let's just go ahead and open it. All right, so if you were wondering what they look like little crabs, which is really, really cute. Oh my god. Oh! Like I said, they look like little crabs, which is so, so cute. I think these are seaweed flavored, so let me try it. Definitely seaweed flavored. Love that. Y'all that know already, I'm like a sucker for like seaweed flavored stuff, so really, really good. I'm probably gonna be eating these throughout the video, so. And I think the next thing that I definitely want to try is the yogurt jelly. Like I said, I've seen these at my local Korean market, but I have yet to try them, so here we go. This is from Lotte. Do you call it Yakult or yogurt? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Oh, the smell already gives off the yogurt flavor. Well, I mean, it is yogurt jelly, Rainer. But the shape of the actual jelly is like in the shape of a bottle, which is so, so cute. Anyways, let me try this one. Good. Love. 10 out of 10. Good. Okay. Oh my god. Why haven't I tried these before? Like seriously, these are so, so good. Okay, I'm getting another one because literally so good. But anyways, those are the little snacks that I ended up sending me. Thank you so much, Soo and Carrots, for sending these over. I feel like this is definitely a great way to like unwind if you're like trying to study your Korean, but also you need a break and have these snacks with you while you're studying. So I think that's a great idea. There's a lot, so I definitely will be trying these again later, but oh my god, thank you guys so, so much. Anyways, I think we should get straight back into the studying video, so let's do it. All right, so now from the flashcards, I'm gonna be moving on to the little practice book, which I haven't really touched much. I only like worked on a few of the pages in here. So we're gonna try to work on some of these pages and hopefully I don't fail. But yeah, all right. So like I said at the beginning of the video, they do have a little section at the beginning where you can learn the alphabet. Like I said, this is definitely helpful for those that are still trying to get into Korean, still trying to learn it. You can learn the basic alphabet through here, which they have provided, which we love. I'm gonna try my best to answer as many of these pages as possible, but let's try it. 이분이 누구예요? Maria 씨예요. There you go. Circle that one. This page is basically, please circle the correct ending. This is what it looks like right here. So as you can see for the first one, I ended up putting Maria 씨예요. 직업이 뭐예요? 회사원이에요. There you go. Oh my god, this reminds me so much of Korean class. Like this was how it was. This is literally like the Korean textbook. 취미가 뭐예요? 취미가 is basically what is your hobby. 야구예요. 야구 is baseball in Korean. Please build sentences using 저는 예요, and given words. Okay, I am your name. Okay, so I have to translate that. So 저는 레이나예요. Alright my friends, so it is the next day and I think I'm gonna go ahead and continue practicing in the book, and yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a little time lapse and then I'll show you guys what I've been working on. But yeah, let's continue working. Alright my friends, I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one of the pages in the book. So this is for chapter 3 I believe, and it's about saying I'm not American. So 저는 미국인이 아니에요. Over here they have the words and expressions. So this is the English translation and this is the one in Korean. And then they have a little dialogue so you guys could practice that as well. And then these are a few more examples, so we'd love that. And then the next page is actually the little exercise that goes along with the chapter. So the first exercise here says to please complete the sentence using 인이에요. And then this one over here says please complete the sentence using 사람이에요. And yeah, like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. So yeah.
마지막한 인사에 수많은 내 맘
Alright, my friends, so as you can see in the little time lapse, I did a bit of work in this little practice book and I ended up going up to page 35, which we love. A majority of it was just like trying to remember stuff from like when I took Korean, and for most part it was pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, but I think this is definitely very helpful for those that are still trying to learn Korean. It's pretty much just like the basic sentences and phrases that you have to like come up with, and these exercises are definitely very, very helpful. Alright, so this is just one of the pages that I ended up working on, but yeah, for most part I ended up getting most of them. Like I said, it was just like a little brush up in terms of like trying to remember my Korean, but I mean, surprisingly, I remembered how to do most of this, so we love that. But it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. All right, my friends, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I feel like it was somewhat of a fail of me trying to remember things for Korean, but like I said, I'm going to keep on trying, and if you guys would like to see more videos of me trying to learn more and trying to brush up on my Korean, please do let me know in the comments down below. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. But yeah, make sure to check out Soo and Carrots. Thank you so much again for sending me these cute little flashcards and the little textbook. But yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing one yourselves, make sure to check out their links in the description box below or somewhere here in the video. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to follow me on my social media, Instagram and TikTok. Y'all know the deal already. But yeah, I hope you all are staying safe, and I will see you guys again soon. All right, bye friends.
부디 행복한 날도 살다 지치는 날도 모두 그대의 곁에 늘 거 있어줄 수